If you're trying to count based off of multiple criteria, you need to use COUNTIFS and not COUNTIF. So for us, we want to figure out how many oat milk lattes we sold in a day. So go ahead and type equals COUNTIFS. And then our first range criteria will be, we'll say the drinks. So we want to go ahead and take our drink column and highlight it. And then for our criteria here, we want the latte. Now for our milk, go ahead and highlight your milk column. And then finally, in our case, we want our milk right here, which is going to be F3. Then you can click enter and it will give you the count of oat milk lattes. So oat milk lattes, we had one right here. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Nice thing about this too is you can change your criteria in here. So if we are only looking at espressos, let's look at espresso and then no milk. So let's go ahead and type none. Notice how we sold one of those. Another example, we could go ahead and type in an Americano. So Americano, and then none. See, we only sold one of those as well.